Do you want to raise funds for your business? Before you get to that, the first step is the business idea. Venture capitalists are looking for something very specific.
What is the problem that the startup is trying to solve for? Is a pressing, recurring customer need as opposed to a nice to have.
Once you have the idea, the next step is figuring out your capital requirements and financial projections. Now you are ready to raise the funds. So how do we do that? Number 1, crowdfunding. Startups can create a campaign to pitch their idea and set the amount they want to raise on a crowdfunding platform like Kickstarter or Indiegogo. If investors find the idea compelling, they will pledge money either in return for equity or as a donation. Sometimes companies will offer incentives like an advanced copy of the product. Number 2, angel investors. Angel investors are individuals who offer startup companies funding in exchange for equity in the business.
Good to see a lot of angel level syndicates and angel investors are also starting to invest rather than just the VC funds. So there are pockets of capital to get you going.
Number 3, venture capital. Companies like Sarmayakar have professionally managed funds that are invested in startups who show significant potential for growth. Such companies also provide expertise and mentorship. Other options for funding include self-funding, also known as bootstrapping, financing from friends and family, bank loans, grants, and business incubators that will help startups source funding by introducing you to potential investors, networking events, and provide mentoring. Startups can also benefit from setting up their HQ in a city like Dubai, where they have easy access to VCs and can expand into markets like Saudi Arabia and Qatar.
पाकिस्तान गवर्नमेंट हैज़ ऑल्सो अलाउड कि आप दुबई में, सिंगापुर में या और जगहों में आप अपनी होल्डिंग कंपनी बना सकते हैं और उसके बाद उसमें क्या होता है कि अगर कल बाहर के इन्वेस्टर को कोई शिकवा हो या कोई ऐसी चीज़ें हो तो वो यहाँ के लॉज अप्लाई कर सकता है। तो ये एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है और फिर वो पैसा एक्चुअली यहाँ आता है, फिर यहाँ से पाकिस्तान की सब्सिडरी में वो इन्वेस्ट होता है।
सही।
तो उससे ये होता है कि उसकी कल वैल्यूएशन में भी बेहतरी आ सकती है क्योंकि वो यहाँ पे है, तो एक कवर भी मिलता है।
राइट।
और दूसरा कि ईज़ है।